Pinagbigyan mo pa.
Lakad-lakad nga lang.
Bigyan pa eh. Tama yan, Dok. Pero meron pa kami ano.
Seven to 1 points.
Lagi. Kasi sa mega mo no? Wala ko sente.
Wala. Gusto mo? Natambakan na ako.
Rebound number 40. Out of bounds.
Wala pa lang sale ngayon.
Turnover. Mas. Game 2. Game 2 ba to?
Game ka rin ito eh.
Still, number 9. Offensive foul. Number 9. Offensive foul number 9.
Mas dali mo lang.
Iba lang ata.
5-second shot clock. Rebound number 9. Still 32.
Rebound 17 no Rio.
Rebound 34.
KQ yan ah. KQ.
Single shot clock 8. Shot clock 8. Out of bounds.
Ay,
Rebound number 9.
tama. Do.
10-second shot clock.
Taas.
Foul number 34. First personal foul. Ten shot clock. Rebound number 9.
Line niya.
Huli.
Steal. 17.
Mahaba yung ganyan eh. Wala rin.
Rebound 34.
Ay, sir. Responder ka talaga, sir.
71 points.
Talaga yung mga responder mo, sir. Hindi basta-basta yan, sir. Wala eh. Oo. Ups lang yan, sir.
Substitution. Substitution. Shot clock 9 seconds. Shot clock 9 seconds. Five change shot clock. Defensively one, number 2. Steal, 48. Ten shot clock. Steal number 2. Steal.
Counter steal.
Traveling violation.
Turnover.
Balik kayo.
Steal.
Nice.
70 points.
Talo pa rin talaga yung bakal. Kakambakan. 96.
Wala.
2.48.
Bang!
34 points.
Tambak ah. Steal.
Steal number 9.
Bang!
9 points.
Wala pa rin kupas maglaro.
Oo.
Tagal mo pagod yun. Batak mo bike. Batak mo bike. Ganyan naman pag
10 shot clock.
hindi ka mag-inak sa...
Oo.
Ano yun?
Tunaw yan mo na.
Shot clock violation.
Siyempre ba yun?
Yang.
7 minutes, walang gusto. Pinchim ribbon. Black Ace.
Very. Turnover.
Out of bounds.
10-0. Bumas.
32 points. Seventy points.
Magkano yung uniform niya, sir?
Hindi ko alam kung 858 na.
Ten shot clock. 5 shot clock. Out of bounds. Shot clock 9. Shot clock 9 seconds. Screen number 2. Out of bounds.
Bigyan pa ng isa. Kailangan, galingan na nila sa susunod.
Seven, 2 points.
Oh, yun lang.
Out of bounds.
Still.
Still 7. Traveling.
Bang. Ayaw talaga.
Point number 2.
Foul number 2. First foul.
First foul.
Pasok.
Wait a second. Out of bounds.
Yan o, man.
17 seconds. Ten seconds.
10 seconds.
5 seconds.
Huli.
3.
Sayang.
And the first quarter.
Ito. Friday tayo. Ano ka? So yung gumawa doon sir, maganda na yung first second eh. Shit na, malakas ba ulan?
Next week, bawi.
Friday dok, lalaro ka dok.
Kuya, malapit.
Laro ka na boy.
Ang ating dinasal ko yan niya pa. Dinasal mo talo.
Rebound 83.
Uy, sino yung tayo tumira?
Basta ako na boy.
Wala pa.
Rebound 34. Out of bounds.
Press.
Rebound,
Sayang.
rebound.
Ang
83 points. Steal, 21. Steal, 34.
tira.
72 points.
Pumasok pa.
Nice
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
8, 7,
Rebound.
assist. Bawi.
10 shot clock. 5 shot clock.
Nice.
83 points.
Assist man.
Rebound 32.
Speed.
72 points. Assist 32.
Good ball, sir.
Uy, dipting rep. Panging.
Patay. Bang!
3, number 53.
Sir Mike. Uy! Good.
10 shot clock.
Shot lang.
5-second shot clock.
Ah,
72 points.
fly away. Hindi yung fade away.
Away na talaga eh. Nakangat sa pa.
10-second shot clock. 5-second shot clock.
Patay na. Bang! Isa pa. Wala pa rin.
Out of bounds. Substitution.
Japanese, tsaka
Rebound number 9. Foul basket. Foul number 83.
Foul number 83. That is first foul.
First foul number 83.
And one.
Rebound 34.
Pasa lang pala yan.
Out of bounds. Shot clock 12 seconds. Clock.
Hindi nasa.
5 seconds shot clock.
Che.
86 points.
Pinala sila eh.
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock. Gathering variation.
Receive rebound.
Gumana pa rin.
83 points.
Rebound.
Rebound 34.
Young.
Sponsor.
Subdivision foul number 53. Subdivision.
Salang.
First foul.
Lindon.
Nakaraan nung Webes, binigyan kami ng tag 500.
Yan.
Nasari ulit ako doon ha.
Yan.
Sa Buntay. Si Manyan Mayan.
Bakit daw?
90 points.
Pulo ko na doon. Sa Buntay.
Ilan kayo?
Sa Bilim. Tapos yung mga carpentry.
Same ball.
Paldo. Talay.
Bakit?
Balik 500 yung binibigay.
Same ball. Shot clock. 14 seconds.
Grocery ako. Lagi sa bahay.
Steal. 90 points.
Makakabasa pa. Nice pass.
Steal 7.
Nice game, sir. Adi.
Aman, di siguro parte niya. Kasi kung sino na
10 seconds shot clock. 5 seconds shot clock.
Ulit.
Lock. Shot clock 1 second. Shot clock 1.
Wala na yan.
Shot clock deletion.
Ano mga gadget, mga tablet?
Fourth floor. Building B.
Nandun lahat. Nadulo ka kabila pa.
Oo. Tatawid ka pa.
Wala pa yun.
Foul number 86.
Foul 86. Yang. First foul pa lang.
First foul.
Bibili ko sa ito na.
Tablet ko dito.
Out of bounds.
Ano? Brand?
Cheat lang. Walang pata eh. Papalit.
Rebound 7. Ten seconds. 5 seconds.